All right, we go over E3. So E3 solve a system of equation by graphing word problem. Okay, so let's read over. Bob and Kenzie each opened a saving account on the same day. Bob started by putting $30. Okay, so $30. Here we go. So this is a set value. This is $30. Okay, and he deposit $30 per week. Okay, so you can see the $30 per week. So the money every week is going up. So this value will be the M. Okay, so let's set up the equation first for Bob. Okay, so here we go. This is Bob. Okay. So the total money he has is $30 X and add with $30. Okay. So this $30 is from, okay, I got this. Let me see here. Oh, I delete everything. So let's write again. Okay. So $30 in his account. Okay, let me see here. Here we go. So he started with $30 and he deposit $30 per week. Okay. So let's write this down. Okay. So this is for Bob. Okay, let's see over here. I'll do the pen. The pen. Okay, so let's see here. So y equal $30 times x. So this $30 is from that he deposit $30 per week. And then add with $30 and this one from the beginning from his account that he put $30 from the beginning. Okay, so we can go and wrap this one. Okay, let's go and wrap this. Here we go. So for Bob, so let's do this. So $30 is right here. Okay, and then this is the M. Is all right. This is the M. So let wrap the M. 30 over 1. Okay. 30 over 1. Okay. Do we have 30 over 1? Okay. Yes, we do. We can go up to 30. All right. So this is 10, 20, 30. So, and then go over 1. All right. So we can do that. All right. So go get the 2 over here. So we start with 30 and then up 30, right 1. So we got the line for Bob. Okay, so move on to the next person is Kenzie. All right, Kenzie. So Kenzie is right here. Kenzie. All right. So y equal. So you can see Kenzie. So let's go to Kenzie. Here we go. Kenzie make a deposit. Ooh, I don't see the number. So let's see over here. Erase over here so I can see the number for Kenzie. Oh, come on. Erase. All right, $60. Okay, so I can see it now. So Kenzie start with $60. So $60 in the back. Okay. And then Kenzie deposit $15 per week. So 15 should be go in front of X. So the Y equal 15X plus 60. So now we graph the Kenzie. Okay. So let's go and find 60. So 60 is right here. Okay, so that 60 is right there. And then 15 is a slope, is that right? So the slope is 15 over 1. Okay, but take a look over here. You don't have 15. Okay, how about we do 30 over 2? Is that the same thing? All right, we do 30. So 10, 20, 30. All right, so 30 and then over 2. Okay, over 2 right there. All right, so now we go and get the 2. Okay, we start at 60 and then, ooh, I have to make sure I click on Kenzie. So let's see over here. Let's go back over here. Rectangle 2. So make sure you move to Kenzie. Okay, so I have to go and switch to Kenzie. Press it. So now Kenzie start at 60. I go up 30. I go to the right side too. So that is a slope. 30 over 1 or 60 I'm sorry, 15 over 1 or 30 over 2. All right, so I'm done. So now I can answer. They said how many dollars, all right? So take a look over here. So this is where they intersect. This is where they intersect right here, okay? So how many dollars? So I have to go to the y-axis, and this is $90, okay? So the answer should be $90, okay? So I put $90. They ask for the money, so you go to the y, okay? So I go to over here, I put in $90, and I'm done, okay? I submit, I should be correct, voila, all right? Let's clear this out. We got 20 points. All right, next problem. Noah is a plumber and his co-worker Samir is an electrician. Nolan charges customer a fee of $50 just to come. So $50 is a set fees, all right? So let's go and let's set it up right now. Okay, so let's set it up. So Nolan, okay, so let's write down Nolan. So y equal, so $50 is set, so I put in the back, all right? And then $2 per minute, all right? So 2x, you see that? $2 per minute. So let's roll and graph it, okay? So let's do the slope over here. The slope equal 2, all right? So 2 over 1. Okay, so you can see we don't have 2 over 1, okay? How about we can do 20 over 10? Can we do 20 over 10? Is that same as 2 over 1? Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's start with 50. So let's go and get 50. Here we go. So 50, here we go. That's a 50 right there. Okay, and we go up 20. So this is 20. And then make sure you go to the right side 10. Okay, 10, all right, right here. So we're done. Okay, so go get a 2, okay. So start with 20, up 20, right 10. So that should be the graph. Or you can go up 10, right 5, it's up to you. Okay, so let's do up 20, right 10. Make it simple. So now we can switch to Samir, okay. Samir. So let's see what happened to Samir. Okay, so let's write down over here Samir. So let's change to the green color. Samir. Okay. So Samir charge a fee of $40 to visit. Okay. So $40. These are set fees in the back. Okay. And then he charged $3 per minute. So 3 go right in front of X because $3 per minute is changing. The price go up if you spend he spend more time at your home. Okay, so let's go and graph it. Okay, so let's go. This is a slope equal 3. So slope equal 3. So 3 over 1. Okay, but you can see you don't have up 3. How about you do up 30 over 10? Is that the same thing? Up 30 over 10. All right, so go and get the 2 over here. So let's start with 40. So 40, so I go over here, I find 40. And then up 30, up 30. So here we go, 1, 10, 20, and then 30. And then you go to the right side, 10. All right, so it's right there. So go and get my 2. Start with 40, up 30, right 10. All right. So you can see the 2 graph intersect. Ooh, I see the unit is not correct. All right, let's take a look at unit. Oh, I thought it's each of the 10 units, so I got it wrong. Each of this is actually 5 units, so I got it wrong. So let's go and make adjustment again. Up 30, right 10. So it should be right there. Okay, and I go and fix Nolan. Fix Nolan over here. Nolan start with 50, 50, up 20, right 10. Okay, so where's that? Up 20, right 10. All right, so now I'm correct. So let's erase everything here. Let's erase this one. Okay, let's erase this one. Okay, here we go. So I didn't pay attention to the unit. I assume each unit on the x-axis is 1, which is not correct. All right, so let's take a look closer look over here. All right, so here we go. Okay, for Nolan, let's do again for Nolan. Okay, okay, start with 50. So this is 50 right there. Okay, up 20. So up 20, right 10. All right, this is 10. Okay, so now I'm correct. So now I switch to Samir. Okay, Samir. All right, Samir. So let's use different color for Samir. All right, so here we go. So Samir start with 40. So right here is 40 for Samir. Okay, and the slope I do 30 over 10. All right, so up 30 over 10. All right, so that should be Samir. Okay, and take a look where they intersect. Okay, where they intersect is right here at 10 hour. At 10 hour, the total amount should be $70. Okay, so right there. So let's see what question do they ask you. Okay, so let's see over here. All right, they ask how many minutes. All right, so the answer should be 10. Okay, so they ask for the minute. If they ask for the money, then you say $70. But they ask for the minutes, so I put on the box it's 10, and I'm done. Okay, here we go. Submit. Well done. Let's clear everything out. Okay. All right, the next problem over here. Okay, two car owners are in it for car repairs. Ducan will need to pay the mechanic $4 per minute for labor. All right, so let write the equation for Ducan. All right, Ducan over here. Ducan. All right. So you can see $4 per minute. So 4 should go in front of X. Okay, and plus $10 to cover the cost for new part. So $10 is set. Okay, so let's go and wrap this over here. So you can see the slope over here equal 4. So 4 over 1. Okay, so take a look over here. Do we have 4 over 1? We don't have it. How about we do 40 over 10? Okay, 40 over 10. So let's wrap it. Let's start with 10 is right here. Okay, 40, so 10, 20, 30. Ooh, this is 40, so that should be go up to, each of these is only 5. So go up to 40, so go up to 50 right here. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40. And then you go all the way to 10. All right, so 10 is right here. Okay, I go a little bit too far. So let me delete this one. Okay, so I can wrap this. Here we go. Get my tool. For Ducan, start with 10. Up 40, right side 10. Okay, and then the next person is Nick. So let's go and write the equation for Nick. Okay, so here we go. For Nick over here, y equal, and Nick paid $40 for part. All right, $40 should be in the back. This is set value. Okay, and then he paid $1 per minute. So that should be 1 should go in front of X. Okay, so let's go and wrap this. Okay, so 40, start with 40. So maybe I use different colors, you can see better. All right, so 40 is right here. Okay, right there. Okay, so that's 40. And then for the slope equal 1, so 1 over 1. Okay, ooh, each of these is 5 units. Okay, or I can do 10. All right, how about 1 over 1 the same as 10 over 10? Okay, so from here I go up 10 and go to the right side 10. This is 10 right there. Okay, so I go and I switch my tool to Nick. Start at 40, up 10, right 10, and I'm done. Okay, so you can see they intersect at this value right here. Okay, when they spend 10 minutes Both of them pay $50. Okay, so let's see the question. What do they ask for? All right, what do they ask here? They ask for how many minutes? Okay, so when they both pay the same price, the same amount, they spend 10 minutes with their mechanic. All right, so on my answer box, I put 10 minutes right there. All right, and then I'm done. So here we go. I'm done. I submit. Voila. All right, so let's clear everything out. The next problem over here. Okay. Okay, so let's write down over here. Leah. Okay, so Leah. So let's start with Leah. Okay, Leah. Okay, y equal. Leah already completed 5 blanket. All right, already completed 5 blanket. So number 5 is a constant number, should be in the back, and she can finish six blankets per day. You can see that. So this value changing per days. All right. So it should be 6x. Okay. So let's go and wrap this. Okay. So you can see the slope m equals 6. All right. So 6 over 1. So let's go and wrap number 5. Number 5 is right here on the y. That's number 5. And let's do the slope 6 over 1. Yeah, but you don't have the value 6 over 1. Okay. How about we do 30 over 5? Okay. 30 over 5. Okay. Take a look over here. This is 5, all right? So you go up to 10. Okay. You up another 10. Another 10. So this is 35. So you just go up 30s, all right? And then you go to the right side 5. So this is number 5 right here. So you go to the right side 5 right there. Okay, so right there. Okay. So now I go get my 2. I start with number 5. Up 30, right 5, which is a slope is 6 over 1. All right? So 6 over 1. Okay. So now I switch to Geo. Okay, so let's go and find Geo. Okay, here we go. Geo. Okay, here we go. So y equal. Okay, let's take a Geo. Geo start with 10 blanket. Completed 10 blanket already. So 10 should be in the back. All right. And then Geo can complete 5 blanket per day. So 5x is right here. Okay. Number 5 had to be in front of x. Okay. So now let's see the slope. This is number 5. So this is number 5. Slope m equal 5, which is 5 over 1. Okay. Ooh, you can do 5 unit. All right. So that's good. So we should leave that way. Okay. So let's graph it. Start with 10. So I go over here 10. Each of these is 5. So I go up 5 and then write 1 and then I'm done. Okay. So that's it. So I got my 2 for Geo. I start with 10. Up 5, right 1. Ooh, hold on. Up 5, right 1. Let's see, 5 blanket per day. Start with 10 blanket. Something happened here. All right. Already had 10 blanket. Okay. Please go. Okay, so let's see over here. 2 lines do not intersect, so something wrong. Let me see. Jill already had 10 blanket. So 10 in the back, that's correct. Okay. 5 more blanket per day. So 5 in front of X. So up 5, right 1. Why is not working? That is so weird. Okay, so let me clear everything out. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, so let's see over here. This is for Leah. Okay, so y equal. Completed 5 blanket already, so 5 in the back. 5 in the back. So this is, we start with Jill right here. Okay, and then she does 6 per day. So 6x. Okay, so here we go. Let's wrap. The slope m is 6, which is 6 over 1. But you don't have 6 units on the y-axis. So you have to go 30 over 5. Okay, so let's see over here. 5 go up to 30 become 35. Alright, so you go up 30 and then over 5. Oh, I go 1 over here. Oh my god. It's right here. 5 is right here. Oh my god. I got my point incorrect. That's why. Okay, 5 is right here. Okay, so let's go and correct it for Leah. Start with 5. Up 30, right 5. Alright, so they should be intersect. So you see that? Here, number 5. Okay, so up 30, right 5. So I'm correct. Alright, so now go back to Jill. Okay, Jill already completed 10, so 10 should be in the back. And Jill complete 5 per day. So 5 per day. Alright, so let's see the slope over here. The slope is number 5. 5, it means 5 over 1. So let's start with 10 on the y-axis is right here. So up 5, right 1. Okay, so you can see the two lines intersect right here. And this is for days, alright? So after 5 days, both of them have the same blanket. And the number of the same blanket should be 35. Okay? So 35 is a number of blankets. So you go to the y-axis. Alright? So I put over there, I put 35 and I'm correct. Alright, so here we go. Submit. Alright, so now let's clear everything else. Ooh, we got 58 points already. Alright, so let's move it up a little bit over here. See everything. Okay. So let's set up for Mr. Pratt. Mr. Pratt. Okay. So y equal. Alright, so what does he do here? He already taught his class 6 letters. So this is a set number, so it should be in the back. Okay. And then what else did he do? Mr. Pratt planned to teach 1 new letter per week. Alright, so that's 1x. Okay, 1 new letter per week. So let's go and wrap this. Okay, so you start with 6. Alright, so let's go and find number 6 right here. So that is number 6. And let's do the slope. So the slope is 1, which is 1 over 1. Okay. Ooh, we can do up 1. We can do up 1 and then right 1. Alright, so we can draft easily. Alright, so here we go. Start with 6, up 1, right 1. Okay, so now let's do the next person, Mrs. Mosley. Okay, Mosley right here. Okay, so y equal. Okay, Mosley. Miss Mosley. So who started the unit later currently know how to write 2 letters. Alright, for her class. Already start with 2 letters. So 2 is a set number, so I put in the back. Okay, but Miss Mosley, she can teach. Okay, so this is cover, so I erase over here. Ooh, she can intend to cover 3 letters per week. Per week. So 3x right here. So number 3 should go in front of x. Okay, so let's go and wrap this. Let's go and wrap this over here. Number 2, I start with number 2 right there. So this is number 2. And now let's do the slope 3's. Alright, so 3 over 1. Okay, so up 3, right 1. Okay, so I switch the 2 over here to Miss Mosley. Start with number 2, up 3, right 1. Okay, so you can see now 2 wrap intersects right here. Intersect right here. So it means that after 2 weeks, both classes teaching a letter. Alright, so let's see, what do they ask here? What do they ask here? The number of letter. Okay, when both classes had the same number of letter, so the answer had to be number 8. Alright, so I enter A in the box over here. So go and enter number A into the box. Alright, so let's do that over here. I put in number A and then I submit. I should be correct. I should be correct. Alright, done. Alright, so now the next the next thing here. All right, let's set up the equation. Okay, let's see over here. Two students in Mr. Mackenzie, okay, Aaron and Edmund, okay, so let's write down Aaron, okay, set up the equation for Aaron, okay, assign a workbook complete at their own pace, okay, let's see, Aaron completed 60 pages, so 60 pages should be a set number, I put in the back, okay, and then continue working at the rate 8 pages per hour. All right, so 8x. Okay, so go and grab this. Here we go. Start with 60. So I go find 60 on the y-axis is right there. Okay, and let's see the slope over here. M equal a, which is a over 1. Okay, ooh, a over 1. Can I do a over 1? Ooh, they don't have a over 1. Ooh, how about 40? 40 over 5. Is that the same as 8 over 1? Okay, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, over 5. So this is number 5. Pay attention to number 5. Okay, so go over to the right side, number 5. Okay, so here we go. Get the 2. Okay, start at 60. Go up 40. So go up to 100 and then go to the right side, number 5. Up 40, right 5, the same as a over 1. Okay, so move on to Edmund. Okay, so move on to Edmund. Okay, so here we go. Edmund. Okay, so Edmund over here. Okay, so the equation of Edmund over here. Take a look. Edmund completed 70 pages. So 70 should be in the back. 70 is a set number, okay? Edmund can work at the rate 6 pages per hour, all right? So 6 should be go in front of X, okay? So now let's go and wrap this. Here we go. Start with 70 pages. So here we go. This is 70, okay? So the slope equals 6, is all right? So 6 over 1, okay? Yeah, but it looks like we don't have 6. Can we do 30 over 5? 30 over 5 is the same as 6 over 1. Okay? So go and get it. 30 over 1. Okay. So from 70, I go up to 30. So 10, 20, 30 over 5. All right? Over 5. So here we go. Get my 2. Make sure I click on Edmund. Start at 70. Go up 30. So go up to 100. And then go to the right side 5. Okay? So now we got 2 lines, and you can see they intersect. They intersect after 5 hours. After 5 hours, and then both of them complete 100 pages. Okay. So let's take a look over here. Let's see the box over here. What do they ask? What do they ask for? They ask for the hour. So the answer for the hour had to be number 5. All right. Number 5 is the hour, should be the answer. So go to my box, enter number 5, submit, and then I should be correct. All right. So let's move it up a little bit. Here we go. Done. All right. We got 73. We're almost done here. Okay. So let's set up the equation for Warren over here. Okay. So y equal, okay, Warren, okay, sent some flower to his wife, okay, the florist, okay, Livingston florist, okay, so Livingston florist, so let's clear this out, okay, Livingston florist, okay, so Livingston florist right here, okay, so Livingston florist, so y equal, charge $30 for the vase. So 30 is a set value, okay? And then Livingston Florist charge $2 per rose, per rose. So 2 have to be right in front of X, okay? So let's go and wrap this. You got 30 right here. So 30 would be on the y-axis, okay? So now 2, that should be the slope, is that right? So 2 over 1, okay? Can we go up to? Yeah, we cannot go up to. We can go up 20 over 10. Is that the same thing? All right, so here we go. Go up 20, so we go up to 20, all right, 20, so up to 50 right here, okay? And then go all the way to 10, so 10 right here, to the right side to 10. So we can wrap this, okay? Start with 30, up 20, right side 10, and we're done, okay? So we got the first line. Now, for patty flour, okay, so switch to different color. Here we go. For patty, okay, so y equal, so patty flour chart right here is at $25 for the vase, okay, so $20 is a set value, it should be in the back, okay, and then patty flour chart $3 per rows, so 3 should be in front of X, okay. So now let's go and wrap it. Start with 25. So I go and find 25 is right there. So that is 25. Okay. And then I do the slope right here at 3, which is 3 over 1. Okay. Ooh, 3 over 1. Okay. So how about 3 over 1 the same as each of this is each of this is 5 units. How about I do 15 over 5? 15 over 5, okay? 15 over 5 is the same thing as 3 over 1, okay? So 25, I go up to 15. So each of these is 5 units. So 5, 10, and then 15, all right? So right there. And then go to the right side 5, okay? So let's do that. So make sure you switch to patty flour. Start at 25, which is right there. Go up 15, go to the right side 5. Okay? So make sure you got your fraction. Your fraction is the same. You see here? 3 over 1, that's same as 15 over 5. Okay? So you can see we're done here. Okay? So the value the same over here when they have 5 roses, and the cost will be $40. Okay, so let's see over here. So the 2 vases should have the same cost, which is $40, and when they both have 5 roses. So they ask for the number of roses, so roses should be number 5 should be in the box. Okay, so I enter number 5 in the box and I submit, and then I should be correct. All right, submit, voila. Okay, let's clear it. We got 79. All right, 79 over here. Let's clear everything out. Clear. Why it's not clearing this part? That's so weird. It should clear everything. Come on, clear everything. Clear all right. Somehow it's not clear, but that's okay. All right, so next problem over here. Oh, that is so weird. Clear. All right, it's not clearing. All right, here we go. I got it now. Perfect. All right, let's set up equation for Pam. Okay, so Pam and Isabel plan to get together after school to make vocabulary flashcard. Pam started the project yesterday, already have 10 flashcards. So for equation for Pam, she already have 10. So I put 10 in the back. All right. And then Pam make 3 flashcards per minute. So 3 should be in front of X. Okay. So here we go. Let's graph this. Here we go. Start with 10, so 10, go to the y-axis right there. So this is 10. All right, now let's do the slope. The slope equal 3, which is 3 over 1. Okay, and look at over here. You don't have 3 units for the y-axis. Okay, how about I do 30 over 10? Is that the same thing? Okay, So from 5, I go up 30. So 5 go up 30, become 35. Ooh, hold on. Each of these is 5 units. Oh no, each of these is 10 units. Alright? Start with 10. So 10 go up 30, become 40 right there. Alright? So 10 go up 30, become 40. And then go to the right side 10. Alright? So here we go. This is 10. Okay, so I switch to my tool. Start with 10, up 30, right 10. Up 30, right 10. Alright, so I'm done for Pam. So let's do Isabel. So let's do Isabel. All right. So here we go. Isabel. The equation for Isabel. Take a look, Isabel. Isabel haven't started yet. So in the back should be zeros. All right. E0. All right. Something happened here. That is so weird. I did not draw anything. It keep moving. All right. All right. So Isabel haven't started anything, so you don't have the constant number. Okay, so let's take over here. All right. So that's in the back. That's 0. And then Isabel make 4 flashcards per minute. All right. So that's 4x. Okay. So she start at 0. Okay. Now the slope m, so let's get the slope m right here. Okay, the slope m is 4 over 1. How about we do 40 over 10? It's the same as 4 over 1. Okay, so let's do that over here. So 0, I go up to 40. 0, I go up to 40, and then go to the right side 10, and I'm done. Okay, so I switch to my tool over here. Make sure I click to Isabel. Start with 0, up 40. Right 10, and I'm done. Okay, and then you can see over here both of them should have the same number of flashcards at 40 after 10 minutes. All right, so let's see the question over here. What do they ask you? What do they ask them over here? How many flashcards do they have when both of them had the same number of flashcards? So the answer should be 40. All right, so I should be 40 in the box over here. So I go to the box, I put down 40, I submit, and I should be correct. All right, here we go. Done. Okay. We're almost done. We got 85 points. Okay. So the next one over here, let's do freshman. Okay. Freshman, so the equation should be, let's see over here. Freshmen spend $80 on the float. So $80 should be a set number in the back. Okay, and they buy the floral sheeting that costs $10 per roll. All right, so it should be 10x. Okay, so here we go. Let's go and wrap this. Okay, 80. So I go to the y-axis. This is 80. Okay, and I see the slope m is 10 over 1. 10 over 1. Okay. Ooh, can I go up 10, right 1? Yes, I can. All right, up 10, right 1. You see here on the horizontal axis, the x-axis, each unit is 1, and this on the vertical axis, the y-axis, each unit is 10. So up 10, right 1. I'm done. All right. So go get my tool. Start with 80. Up 10, right 1. I'm done. Okay. So now I go and I do sophomore, okay, sophomore right here, okay. So the equation is sophomore, okay, spend $30 so far. So 30 is a set number, it should be in the back, okay. And they purchased vinyl craft for 35 per roll. So 35 should be in front of X, okay. So let's go and wrap this. Start with 30, so I go and find 30 on the y-axis. Okay, the slope is 35 over 1. Okay, can I do 35 over 1? Ooh, I'm sorry, 35 over 1. Okay, let's look over here. Ooh, we don't have 35. We can do 70 over 2. All right, 70 over 2. So from 30, I go up to 70, I end up at 100, all right? So go up 70 over 2, all right? So this is 2 right there, okay? So I go and get my tool, I switch to sophomore, start at 30, up 70 to 100, and then go to the right side too. I'm done. Okay, so you can see both flows had the same cost as $100. Okay, when both of them buy 2 rows. Okay, so what do they ask for? How much each class will spend? So that's the answer should be $100. Okay, so I go to my answer box over here. I enter $100 on the answer box and I submit. Okay, here we go. Submit. I'm done. All right. Ooh, how much I have? 90. All right. I'm almost done to 100. Okay. So let's do this over here. So let's write equation for Jackson. Okay, Jackson starting using 20 pounds bar. All right. So 20 is a set number. It's in the back. Okay. Jackson increased the amount 8 pounds for each set. So A should go in front of X. Okay. So now let's go in and wrap this. Start with 20. So here 20. Okay. I do the slope equal 8. So which is A over 1. Okay. A over 1. Do we have the unit for A on the y-axis? We don't. We have 5 every time. All right. How about we do 40 over 5? 40 over 5, the same as 8 over 1. All right? So 20 add with 40 becomes 60. So it's right here. Okay? And then go to the right side 10. So 20 up to 60, we should go up 40. And then go to the right side 10. Oh, I'm sorry, go to the right side. We need to go to the right side only 5. Okay? So right there. So 5 is right there. Okay, so here we go. This is number 5. Okay, go get my 2. Start at 20, up 60. So up 40 total. Go to the right side 5, and then I'm done. Okay, so now I graph for Jackson. Okay, it's for Jackson. Okay, so here we go. Jackson. Okay, equation for Jackson. Take a look, Jackson. Okay. Using 30 pound bar. So 30 should be in the back. And Jackson adds 7 pounds for every set. So 7x. Okay. So let's go and wrap this. All right. 30. So I go and find 30. That's 30 right there. So the slope M is 7 over 1. Ooh. We can go up to 100 on the Y. How about the same as 70 over 10? All right, we can do that. So get the 2 over here, switch to Jackson, start with 30, and I go all the way to 100, and then go to the right side 10. All right, so you can see it right there. Okay, the slope is 7 over 1, the same as 70 over 10. All right, so you can see over here, the 2 lines intersect when both of them are done 7 sets. I'm sorry, both of them done 10 sets. And then the total amount of weight should be 100 pounds. Okay, 100 pounds. So what's the question do they ask? How many sets both of them completed? So the answer should be 10. All right. So I go over here and I see the answer box. I answer number 10. Okay. Here we go. Click on it. Put down number 10. Submit. All right. I got 94. Maybe one more problem will do. Maybe 2. All right. So let's do this one more time over here. All right. So let's find the equation for expenditure over here. All right. Okay. Okay. Ling is making greeting cards, which she will sell by the box at the arts fair. She paid $20 for a booth at the fair, and the material for each box is $6. Okay. She will sell the card for $8 per box of cards. At some point, she will sell enough cards that she will sell at some point she will sell enough cars so that her sale cover her expenditure. All right. All right. So let's see over here. So two things happen here: expenditure, okay, and sale. Okay. So take a look over here. Okay. So the expenditure. All right. $8 box, $8 per box. Okay. All right. So when she sell $8 per box, that money go to her expenditure. So that would be AX. Okay, so here we go. So let's wrap the equation over here. So start at 0, okay, and the slope will be 8 over 1. All right, 8 over 1. Okay, do we have 8 over 1? We don't have it. Can we do 40 over 5? Okay, 40 over 5, you can. All right, from 0 up 40, go to the right side 5. Okay, so we're done. 40 up the right side 5. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so now let's see the sale. Okay, so the sale over here. So y equal, okay, she pay $20. $20 for a booth at the fair. Okay, so $20, that should be the cost of her sale. Okay, material for each box is $6, so that should be 6x. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's wrap this. Start with 20. I mean the cost of her expanded 20, so I will start with 20 right here. Okay, 20, and then I do the slope m equals 6, which is 6 over 1. Okay, how about 6 over 1 the same as 30 over 5? All right. Okay, so 20, I go up 30, so I go up to 50 over here, and then go to the right side 5. All right, right there. Okay, so now I go and I click to sell, start with 20, and then right there. So you can see they intersect right here. They intersect right here. All right. So Lynn have to make 10 car. 10 car. Okay. She had to make 10 car. All right. So I go to my answer box over here. I put down number 10, and I submit. Okay, I submit over here. All right, fantastic. Oh my God, one more problem. All right, so let's see here. One more problem over here. Okay, Damon. So let's talk about Damon. Y equal. Okay, Damon so far passed one test. Okay, so one should be in the back. Okay, what happened next? Damon planned to take and pass 4 tests per week. So 4x. Okay, so let's go and wrap this. Start with 1. So I start with number 1 right there. And the slope m is 4 over 1. Can we go up 4? Yes, we can. So go up 4 right there and go to the right side 1, and then we're done. Okay, so here we go. All right, so start with 1, up 4, so we end at 5, and go to the right side 1. Okay, so here we go. We're done with one line. So the next one is we try to write the equation for Hannah. So y equal, Hannah passed 5 tests already, so 5 should be in the back. Okay, and Hannah plans to take 2 tests per week, so 2 should be in front of x. Okay, so go and wrap this. Here we go. Number 5 is right there. So that's number 5. Okay. The slope m is 2, which is 2 over 1. We can go up 2, and then right 1. Okay. So here we go. So make sure you click to Hannah. Start with 5, up 2, right 1. Okay. So you can see over here. Both of them we have the same amount of tests after 2 weeks. Okay, after 2 weeks, right here. Okay, the number of tests it could be 9. The total number of tests should be 9. All right. Okay, so go over here. Let's see the question they asked. They asked how many tests. So I put 9 in the box. Okay, now 9 in the box. All right, here we go. Click it. Submit it. Oh my God. All right, we're done for this. Thank you so much for your attention.